What is the theme of International Day for Biological Diversity 2021? Our biodiversity, our food, our health. We are part of the solution, celebrating 25 years of action for biodiversity. Our solutions are in nature, biodiversity, and sustainable tourism. I think it's we are the part of solution. Which country is the top I renewable energy country attractiveness index releasing in May 2021? USA. IMF unveiled plans to revamp the way conduct to economics assessment to better account for risk related to climate change, inequality and demographics as well as involving digital technology. Where is IMF headquarters? Washington DC. Which of the following has announced partnership SBI with one of the flagship product the UKYC solution aims to achieve a 10x improvement of regular video KYC check performed per day per agent. Day of technology, no hyperverse. Which of the following has rolled out prototype of mechanical minefield marketing equipment MK2 built on BML Tatra 6X DRDO BML Ltd. Noted environment Central Guna died of the COVID in May 2021. His year was confirmed with the Padma Vibhushan in 2003 2004, I think 2009. Forum for the Sustainable Enterprise FSE has signed on MOU with Open Ocean Recovery Alliance, a Hong Kong registration charitable organization. FSE is the headquarters in city. In I think it's Mumbai. Yeah, it's Mumbai. The center has formulated Kharif strategy in 2021 under with an additional 6.37 lakhs hectare area will be brought under which the following oil seeds. The Punjab government has decided to provide how many rupees per month social security pension and free education up to graduation to all those child orphaned in COVID-19 pandemic. 1500. Who is set to be the head coach of Team India during the 6 matches limited over series against Sri Lanka in July? Rahul Dravid. Who is all set to become the first female Chief Justice in Kenya? Obama, Arthur Kome, no growth. I don't know, but I think no. Martin Kome. The correct answer is Martin Kome. In all, the set become the first justice in Kenya. China and Russia have launched the biggest nuclear energy project to build how many nuclear power plants in China, costing about $3 billion. 4. United Launch Alliance ULA launched with following rocket into space May 2021. Marketing the first launch of the year for the company is Atlas V. Pawan Goenka, former MD of company, has joined the board of technology and engineering company Bosch as independent director in May 2021. Mahindra as Mahindra. Which of the following has developed the anti-bird detection basket in DeepCoven? The DeepPass is VDX COVID-19 LGG antibody microbial ILSA for surveillance. I think DRDO. The 2022 FIFA Under-17 World Women's Cup will be held in which country in October 2019? India. Boyd Rankin has announced his retirement. He is related to which of the following sport? Cricket. Which of the following he has innovated application from the superstar and companies developing new technologies and innovative product to tackle the COVID under NISI for COVID 2.0 initiative. Department of Science Technology. Which country will no longer host of the Copa America amid civil unrest surging coronavirus cases as per South America Football Confederation CONMEBOL Colombia, I think. Which of the following has won a contract from the Chennai Metro Rail CMRL to construct a 9-kilometer underground stretch for the Chennai Metro network? Tata Projects. Agriculture and Processed Food Exports Development Authority APEDA organized virtual buyer seller meet VBSM in May 2021. The meet was organized in a bid boost the exports of the fruit is mangoes. Which of the following will set up a 15 beds COVID-19 medical care facility in Gurugram, Haryana, Hawaii, India? Who has launched the National Mobile Monitoring Software NMMSF Area User Monitoring App? Narendra Singh Tomar. In May 2021, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle announced that they are building a community relief center in which city battle the ground wave of COVID-19 in I think Kolkata. No, it's Mumbai. Snapchat parent company Snap will acquire AR technology startup Wave Optics based in country USA. No, it's UK. Whose autobiography titled Sach Kahun To will be published on it's Neena Gupta. Which of the following has approved 600 billion for two projects in Bangladesh to help over 1.75 million poor vulnerable people in country? World Bank. Sami Khedira is related to which sport? Football. Countrywide Ayush COVID-19 counseling helpline has been operationalized. What the toll-free number? 14443. The central government has notified revised the rate of VDE with the view of to provide relief to the different categories of works engaged in various school employment in the central sphere. What does A stand for in VDE? Authority. No, it's allowance. Shakti Mazumdar passed away in May 2021. He was related to which of the following sport? Boxing. Which of the following has ruled Bengaluru as the venue of June Indian Grand Prix 4th and Interstate Athletics Champions? World Athletics. I think it's athletic. In a first, which country has launched a new clinical trial that will assess the efficacy of the third booster dose of COVID-19 vaccine at patients in UK? In May 2000, Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has imposed a mandatory penalty of 1 crore each of the following banks: City Union Tamil Nadu Bank, Canara Tamil Nadu Bank, City, and which state had launched the Mission Oxygen Reliance scheme to meet state oxygen? Maharashtra. Which of the following has slapped a total fine of 1.5 crore crore Indian Bulls venture. It's a former not executive director, her husband, and the firm's company security RBI. No, it's a CB. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has formally appointed whom as the country's national security advisor, Mueed Yusuf. Which of the following has proposed a US $15 billion global vaccination plan that will cover at least 14% of the global population by end by IFM? I think. When is Indian National Injured Species Day celebrated? 21 May. Anti-Terrorism Day is observed on May 20 in India every year. It was on the day in which year the former Indian Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated. 1991. The Public Enterprise Selection Board (PESB) has picked whom MD of the Chennai Petroleum Corporation, a Indian corporation, is Arvind Kumar. It's incorrect. Okay.